In Python, we also have another data structure which is set. This is basically a list without any duplicates. You may have seen sets in mathematics. It's similar in concept. So if we create a list of numbers with values 1, 4, 3, 5 and 3. If we want to remove duplicates, we can use set function and provide any iterable to it. Set1 equals set of numbers. Now we can see that all duplicates have been removed. Sets are created using these curly braces. To create an empty set, we have to use set function. We cannot use the curly braces because curly braces are used to create dictionaries, which we will see in the next video. Now sets do not have any ordering of elements. Therefore, we cannot access elements using its index. If we try to get an element using its index, then we get an error saying set object is not subscriptable. If we want to find length of a set, we can use the same len function. Len set1 will give 4. We can add an element using add method. Also, we can remove an element using remove method. We can also perform set theory operations like mathematics. So, if we create new set, set2, with elements 2, 3 and 4, we can find the union of set1 and set2 using set1.union set2, which will return a set with all elements of set1 and set2. This doesn't modify the existing set. You could definitely assign it to a new variable in order to save it. We could do the same operation using pipe symbol. We can also find the intersection of set1 and set2 using intersection method, and it will return only the common elements of set1 and set2. And it also has a shorthand way to get it using ampersand symbol. Set1 dot difference set2 will return the difference of elements between the two sets. We could also write it using minus sign. To find symmetrical difference, we can use symmetrical difference method, or we can simply use the caret symbol. Let's create one more set, set3, and assign the elements 3 and 4. Now we can check if all elements of a set are included in another set using is subset method. Set3 is subset of set1 is true because all elements of set3 are in set1. Set2 is subset of set1 is false because set1 doesn't have element 2. We can also use is superset to check if one set is a superset of another set. Set1 dot is superset of set2 is false. Set1 dot is superset of set3 is true. Let's create one more set, set4, and insert values 10 and 11. Now we can find if there are no matching elements in the two sets using is disjoint method. Set1 dot is disjoint set2, and it returns false because 3 and 4 are there in both sets. Set1 is disjoint set4 is true because there are no common elements between them. Finally, to clear a set, we can use the clear method and it will remove all elements from the set. So those are some of the common operations you can perform with Python sets. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, post it in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.